cinema kasi I've been doing the mall shows also with them. Hindi naman nila ako tinatrato na others. So, I feel happy naman to be here and I feel good and everyone's very nice to me. Even the security here is super nice.
At saka masarap yung feeling, Rian, bilang artista kasi isa ka sa mapapalad na mga kapuso stars na nakapag, di ba, may pelikulang i-release ng
Ding
star.
Dong, Dennis, Rian.
Oo, konti lang kayo, girl.
Hindi naman talaga, hindi siya isang opportunity na nakukuha ng kahit sinong, I mean, even if you're an artist of ABS-CBN to do a movie with someone from GMA, or me as a GMA artist to do a movie with someone from ABS, and for that pa to just be distributed by Star Cinema. It's really siguro not a normal occurrence.
Diba?
So, swerte ako na na-experience ko siya.
Oo, tapos Rian, nung bagets ka, kasi parang lahat naman nagkaroon ng crush kay Piolo. Was there a time na, or naging crush mo ba siya ever? Sa totoong buhay?
Ngayon pa lang.
Talaga? After working? Bakit? Hindi nga.
So, yun. Hindi, before kasi aga girl ako growing up. Kasi siya din yung favorite ng yaya ko.
Aga mula.
Oo, so parang na-brainwash niya na din yata ako. Pareho kaming aga crazy. Anyway, but now, because we've met, or not naman just because of that, you're very guwapo naman even from afar. But just now because we've met and he has a really nice personality and good sense of humor and everything. Yun.
Oo, yun nga. Ano yung na-discover mo, Rian, na pinaka-gusto mong ugali niya? Yung bilang tao, yung behind the camera, hindi yung bilang artista.
Bilang animal, Charles.
Hindi. He's very spontaneous. When he decides to do things, it's usually last minute.
Like ano yan?
Huh?
Like what?
I don't know. Like for example, after our Cinemalaya premiere, we did have an official after party.
Ayun.
And then we all know, I mean, all of us naman, we all have work every day. And so whatever chance we get to rest, we want to naman, diba? And then out of nowhere, he's just like, let's go to another after party. And then we were all like, okay. So we were all game. And then it's just spontaneous.
Thank you. Oo, hey PJ. Piolo, so ito yung first time ever na nagpakita ka ng puwet sa pelikula. Tama ba? Or nagpakita ka na ba before?
Sa dekada 70.
Ay, oo!
Yeah,
parang mas malala yun, di ba?
My Naked Glory.
Oo. So ito, ano yung dito? Half lang ba? Ano yung
Pisngi.
Pisngi.
Hindi naman.
Ano ba? Kalahati nung 2 pisngi, ganun ba? Jepoy?
Depende sa bayad sa pelikula.
Half ano ka lang ba dito? Half TF? Half TF.
Hindi yung manonood.
Oo, so nagawa mo na pala before, hindi naman pala bago. Pero oo, binubugbog ka naman noon dun sa eksena sa torture scene dito. Oo, dito love scene na
Nakakaya kasi kay Rian I mean,
Bakit?
for whatever she's given, whatever she's parang whatever she committed to doing para sa pelikula, parang kailangan mo rin na, kasi one thing I gotta explain about those scenes is, even the love scene, we're both very intense characters, so you have to show that, even in other scenes.
So intense love scene din.
Ergo, we had to do a very intense love scene because of our twisted personalities.
Twisted love scene din ang naganap.
Pwede.
Ay, teka. Uy, PJ, sandali, pakibalik mo na kay Ria. Kamusta pala yung love scene? How would you describe yung love scene with Piolo? Kung yung intense pala siya.
Okay naman.
Okay, sige, okay. Hindi, kamusta siya bilang ka-love scene?
Hindi ko maalala. Humingi ako ng wine. I'm sorry.
Talaga ba?
Hindi ko kinaya kasi grabe lang kasi yung treatment na pinag-usapan namin beforehand. Sabi ko, ganun talaga, direct? Kasi first love scene ko siya, so it's
ever sa movie?
Ever.
Oo.
And then, idagdag mo pa na ganung klaseng love scene pa siya. Ayun, I was just